Fikidstubers, how are you guys doing? So right now, I'm going to be opening these AirPods. But first, I hope we all have an amazing 2021 because it's finally 2021. And I'm so excited to see all of these new things I'm going to be doing in 2021 with all of you guys out there. And thank you guys so much, but so much for 3K subscribers. I'm really so thankful for all of you, and I'm thankful for all the views I have on my Spanish New Recruit Mission Kit open boxing, and now I'm gonna be opening these AirPods. These are the AirPods 2, so yeah. But by the way, I got these as a present, and yeah. So I already opened a bit of the wrapping. So let's take the whole wrapping out and let's see it. Let's check everything. Let's check the AirPods inside. Sorry, but let's see the AirPods. Okay, I took the wrapping out. I'm gonna put that right over there. And now here's the box. Here's the front of the box. Here's the side of the box, right here. Here's the back of the box. And here's the other side of the box. So now I'm literally so excited, but let's open this. Okay. Whoa. So the first thing I see in it is a little paper that says designed by Apple in California. So we're gonna take this out. Here are some papers. We got some instructions and manuals, and I'm not gonna pay that much attention to that, but it says AirPods on it. This is what it brought in, this little file thing. And now here are the AirPods. They look, so I just had to put it back in because it fell. But here are the AirPods. So it brings a little plastic. Let's take it out. How do I take it out? Oh my god. Here they are. They look, oh my god, they look so beautiful. So there's a little button behind these AirPods, the AirPods case, and it's for Bluetooth and stuff. But now let's open them. I don't really know that much about the button, but yeah, here are the AirPods. So you can open and close this. And so yeah, here they are. They look so gorgeous. And on each AirPod, it says R and L. This one says R because it's for the right ear. But it says L, but when it says L, that means it's for the, but when the AirPod says L, that means the AirPod is for the left ear. And by the way, these AirPods, you can't only use them on Apple products. You can also use them on other devices, not just Apple products like iPhones, iPads, and those stuff. So also, I'm gonna put them in my ear now. Whoa. They're actually really comfortable, and yeah. But now let's check what else is in it, and then I'll tell you some information about the AirPods. So the last thing the AirPods bring is the charger for it. So if you guys do not know, you guys need to charge your AirPods, because if you don't, then they won't work. And you have to put the AirPods right here in the little in the box. There. Now that I have them in the box, now when this is connected and all, there's a little hole to charge it in, and when you grab the charger, this charger, you just connect it. And yeah, when it's connected, it will charge, and then when they're fully charged, you will be able to use them again. And yeah. So here are now some information about AirPods. So some information is that they can also be on other devices, like I said before, like not that long ago. Not just Apple devices. People probably think that you can only use them on like Apple products because they're AirPods, and yeah, you don't pretty much know that much about them. But you actually can connect them to other devices, not just like iPads, iPhones, and etc. So that was some information about the AirPods, and yeah. But now I'm going to go get an iPhone and connect it to my AirPods, to my new AirPods I got. And by the way, once again, they're not just for iPhones and Apple products. They can also be used for others, okay? To other people that have Samsungs and others, and other devices, and have AirPods or want to at least buy a pair. So yeah, let me go. Whoa! Okay, so I got my iPhone. This is my phone, by the way. So I got my AirPods right here. And by the way, to connect them, you have to open this. Open it. And you're going to put it close to your phone. See? And then it's going to say AirPods, like this. Then you're going to say connect. Then it should be connecting. And then it should say set up Hey Siri, and then etc. Then you're going to say, set up Hey Siri. And then you're going to say, Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. It's going to say some stuff like this if you want to set up the Hey Siri. Hey Siri, play some music. Okay. So when Hey Siri is ready, you're going to say continue. Okay, so the AirPods are 70% charged. Actually, both of them have chargers. The AirPods and these. So the box is 68% charged, and the AirPods are 91% charged. So if the box runs out of battery, then the AirPods will not charge. Right now, the AirPods are charging because they're in the box and the box has some battery. So yeah, then when they're here, they should. Then I'm not connect them. Okay, sorry. And then yeah, now they're connected. So then maybe you want some music or something. So let's put some music, or I don't know. Let's just wear them. So here's the left one because it has an L in it. I'm gonna put it in my left ear. Let's open it again, and we're gonna grab the right one because it has an R in it. Now we're gonna put it in my right ear. Now I'm gonna put some music. I'm gonna put like a video of mine right here. My Oreo one. I hear it. And now that I hear it, if it's way too high, I can just take the volume down, just take it doing it normally until as much as you want. If it's too low, then you're gonna want to put it higher until it's good. And yeah, you can hear it perfectly. And they're actually really very like comfortable, and I actually really like these. Also, when you put them in your ear, they make a little noise, like a little noise. They make a little noise when they're in your ear and they're connected. And then when you just play the music or whatever you want to play, they can. And yeah, they work perfectly fine. And I would not recommend having them close to water, or like if you like take a shower with them or get in the pool with them at all, or like even washing your hands with them, because my friend's dad had AirPods Pro, and one of his AirPods fell in the sink. And when he grabbed it and put it in his ear, it made like a ringing sound, and it was horrible. So I really recommend not doing that, and try to keep them like away from like water. And I recommend having them really dry. And yeah. So I hope you guys like this unboxing. I love you guys so much, and thank you guys again for 3,000 followers, subscribers. And I love you guys literally so much, and thank you so much for all the support. I love you guys so much. Bye. Have a nice day. Thank you guys. Bye.